I'm David Gonzalez from PANOimagen, and I'm a programmer. PANOimagen is bringing together all the information, the sources that are required by BBTWINS. Agri-food industry will face many challenges in the coming years. BBTWINS addresses all the main challenges from farm to work, monitoring crops and livestock on the fields, or assisting producers and manufacturers on decision making, managing wastes and reassuring the final consumer thanks to the traceability ensured by the blockchain. The whole value chain is taken into account and converges in a true circular economy ecosystem where production is optimized and waste are reduced to minimums. The seamless connection of technologies like BBTWINS or artificial intelligence or blockchain will provide new perspectives into production process. BBTWINS is focused in bio-based value chain. That brings a set of requirements that are not usual in common industrial process, such as the seasonality of the crops or the influence of external variables. And all these things makes data collections in BBTWINS a challenging issue. If you cannot measure, you cannot improve it. BBTWINS assists in both simulation effects and inputs and processes, so stakeholders can find out what policies are more effective and thus more sustainable. We've taken the part of sensorization and collecting data from many aspects of all the project. For example, on pitches, and on the other hand, for the pigs. So, for example, on pitches, we have to set the storyline of the fields to make predictions of how the harvest could be. We have set sensors in trees from humidity, temperature, some properties of the ground. We are capturing 3D images to do models with the sensors, and for example, we're making images from pigs and for parts of the pigs, so we can have a storyline of growth of the pigs. It's a challenge because we have to transform this data in something more useful in a way that the other companies can take this data properly to make the models and know BBTWINS or the blockchain. We are on the first step of the process, so it's important. All parts are important, but it is the first step is to collect all the data, because if you don't have data, you cannot make the models, so you cannot improve the process. Because we have a very good experience on sensorization, and we have a very good knowledge, and we're improving in artificial intelligence that will add a good focus, a good point of view, and will open many ways to use all the data we record.